In this video, I am going to solve the maths from chapter end exercise of chapter number 8, that is decimal. But before watching this video, you have to watch the previous video of this chapter. In the playlist of class 6 maths, you can get all the videos. So all of you, first of all, watch the previous video of this chapter, then you will start to watch this video and then you can understand all the maths clearly. Okay. Section A, multiple choice questions. For each question there are 4 options, out of which one is correct. You have to choose the correct one. Which of the following is the correct order? 2.2 less than 2.02 is less than 2.002, 2.222. You can see that 2.2, 2.02. The whole number part are same. Tens is 2 and 10th part is 0. So, can you tell me which one is greater between 2 and 0? 2 is greater. So, 2.2 is greater than 2.02. So, this is not correct. Next, 2.002 is less than 2.02. First of all, you have to check this. So, whole number part is 2. Next, this is 0, this is 0. Next, this is 0, this is 2. So, this is obviously less than this. Next, you have to compare these two. 2.02, 2.22. Here the tens digit is 2. Here the tens digit is, here tens digit is 0. Here tens digit is 2. So, that means this is less than this. This is less than this. So, this is correct. Next, this one, 2.2. Next digit will be 0. You can write here 0. This is 0, hundreds, and this is 2. So, that is, this is obviously less than this. So, this will be the correct option. So, don't need to check the other option because I have already gotten the correct order. Next one. 8.25, you have to convert this into fraction. You have to convert this into fraction. 8.25. Whole number part is 8. Okay. You can write this 8 plus 0.25. So, we will just convert this into fraction. 8 plus 0.25. So, this will be 25 by how many decimal places are there? How many decimal places? 2. So, there will be 2 number of 0. Okay. 5 5s are 25. 5 20s are. কিভাবে আমরা এটা করছি এখানে 25 আছে 100 আছে ones digit 5 ones digit 0 so both of this number are divisible by 5 so we will cancel this by 5 5 5s are 25 5 20s are 100 5 ones are 5 5 4s are 20 so this will be 8 whole 1 by 4 okay you can write this 8 plus 1 by 4 can be written as 8 whole 1 by 4 this will be the correct option. Next, the value of 4 whole 7 upon 8. You have to convert this into decimal. This is the whole number part. So, you can write this 4 plus 7 8. So, we will just convert this into decimal. 7 upon 8. So, 7 is less than 8. So, we can take here a point and for this point we can take here 0. 8 8s are 64. 6. 7 8s are 56. 4. For this point we can take here 0. 5 8s are 40. So, this will be 4 plus 0.875. So, this will be 4.875. This will be the actual answer. 4.875. Next, which is larger? 4.1 or 4.055? Which is larger, 4.1 or 4.00055? You have to, first of all, you have to compare the whole part. Here whole part is 4, whole part is 4. So, this is the next 10th digit, 1, 0. So, can you tell me one between 1 and 0, which one is greater? 1 is greater than 0. So, that means 4.1 will be the larger. Next, The value of this, you have to find the value. 0.4. First of all, you have to arrange this in column. 0.004, 6.4. So the vacant place will be filled in with 0. 4086, 6.804. This will be the answer. Next, you have to do this by yourself. Next, question number 7. The value of this 3.5 plus 6.05 minus 6.005. So first we will add these two quantity. 3.5, 6.05. 9.55. Now you have to subtract this value from 9.55. 6.005. 10 minus 5, 5, 4, 5. 3.545. 3.545. This will be the answer. 3.545. Next, question number 8. You bought some groceries for this much rupees and gave a 1000 rupees note to the shopkeeper. The amount are written by the shopkeeper. So, total cost this much and you gave a shopkeeper 1000 rupees. So, how much money you will returned by the shopkeeper? So, you have to remove this much money from 1000 rupees. So 1000 minus 1701,701.65. So there is no decimal part, so we can place here 0. 10 minus 5, 5. This will become 9. 9 minus 6, 3. This will become 9. 9 minus 1, 8. This will become 9. 9 minus 0, 9. This will become 9 minus 7, 2. And this will become 0. So 298.35 rupees. 298.35 rupees. Next, question number 10. The place value of 6 in 25.164. The place value, the 6 is in which position? Hundredths position. So the place value of 6 will be 600ths. Okay. Next, this one. You have to identify, is this true or false. If it will be correct, then it will be true, and if it is wrong, then it will be false. 1 plus 3 tenths plus 2 thousandths. So you have to convert this in standard form. 1 is the whole part, 3 is the tenths. 3 will be in tenths. There is no digit in hundredths, so this will be 0, and 2 will be in thousands. So 1.302. This will be true. Next one, 341 by 1000. So the decimal point will be placed before 3 digit, because in the denominator there are 3 number of zeros. 1, 2, 3, so this will be also true. Next, 3 kg 9 gram, 3 kg 9 gram is equal to 3.900 kg. So you have to convert this into kilogram. 3 kg 9 gram. So first of all, you have to convert this one into kg. So kg, hectare, deca, gram. So gram, kg, gram to kg. That means you have to go to the upward side. How many steps? 1, 2, 3. 3 steps. So you have to divide by 1000. 3 plus 0.009. This much kg. So 3.009 kg. If you will convert into kg, this will be 3.009 kg. 3.009 kg. So this will be false. The value of this one, 6 upon 25. 6 upon 25. You have to convert this into decimal. So first we will take a point, and for this point we will take here 0, because 6 is less than 25. 25 to the 50. 10 for this point, 4. 25 4 is 100. So 0.24 will be the answer. 0.24. So this will be false. Next one. 1024 ml is 10.24 liter. 1024 ml. So for converting this milliliter into liter, you have to divide by 1000 liter. So this will be 1.024 liter. 1.024 liter. So this will be false. Next one, 2.09 multiplied by 8. 2.09 multiplied by 8. So first we will remove the decimal point, and for this decimal point you will write here 1, and there are 2 decimal places, so 2 number of 0 will be written here. Now we will multiply this. 8 9s are 72, 8 0 plus 7, 8 2s are 16, 100. So you have to place decimal point before 2 digits. So 16.72. This will be the answer, 16.72. But here it is written 1.672. So this will be false. Next one. 70 meter is equivalent to this much kilometer. 70 meters. So you have to convert this into kilometer. That is, you have to divide by 1000. Okay. This much kilometer. So 0.070 kilometer. 0.070 kilometer. So you can cancel this 0, because which 0 will be the extreme right of the decimal part, so that 0 can be cancelled. একদম রাইট সাইডে যদি ডেসিমাল পার্টের রাইট সাইডে কোনো 0 থাকে তখন সেটাকে আমরা ক্যান্সেল করতে পারি. So this will be 0.07 kilometer. So actually this will be false. Okay. Next, fill in the blanks. Vulgar fraction of 0.023. So you have to convert this into fraction. In the numerator there will be 23, and how many decimal places are there? 1 2 3. 3, so 1000. Next, 3 tenths, 8 thousands. 3 tenths. So there is no 1, so this will be 0 point. You have to write the decimal part. 3000. There is no tenths, hundreds, only thousands. So 30.008. Next, 4.91 into 1.23 into 0.0 into 5. So 0.0 means 0. And if you multiply anything with 0, you can get 0. 0 সঙ্গে যে কোনো কিছু multiply করলে 0 পাওয়া যায়. So the answer will be 0. The smallest possible decimal number up to 3 decimal place. The smallest possible. So all the places will be 3 decimal place. So 0 0 1. This will be the smallest possible decimal number. Next, the place value of a digit dashed by 10 times when it moves from the right to the left. Right থেকে আমরা যখন লেফটে যাব, right side থেকে আমরা যখন লেফটে যাব. If I write here ones, tens, hundreds. So this is 10, this is 1, this is 10, this is 100. So that means when we will go to the right to left, right থেকে left side আমরা যখন যাব increase করবে by 10 times. This is 1, this is 10, this is 100. So you can see that each value is multiplied by 10 times. That is, each value of a digit increase by 10 times. Next one, 8.25 lies between the whole numbers. 8.25 lies between the whole numbers 8 and 9. Okay, clear? Next one, match the column. You have to match the column. The thickness of one book is this much centimeter. That of other book is this centimeter. The thickness of the 2 books when placed one on top of the other. That means you have to add this value and you have to check which answer will be come here if you will add these 2 value. I am not solving this question. Next one, subtract the sum of this and this from sum of this and this. Then the value. Then the value will be. First you have to find the sum of this and this. 9.125 plus 12.3600, 5, 8, 4, 11, 2. 21.485. Now you have to find the sum this much. 25.2, 103.167. Vacant place will be filled in 0. 763,821, 128.367. Now you have to subtract this from this. 128.367 minus 21.485. 2, 8. This will be 8. This will be 6. 0, 1. 106.882. This will be the answer of B. Next one. The number which when added to this becomes 1000. So the number which is when added to this becomes 1000. So you have to subtract this result from 1000. 1000.00 763.25. This will be 7. This will be 6. This will be 3. And this will be 2. 236.75. 236.75. This will be the answer. Chitra had a 100 rupees note. She bought a geometry box for Ato. The amount left with her. That means you have to subtract this value from 100. Then you can get the answer. The answer will be how much? The answer will be 35.25 rupees. This will be the answer. Next, question number 2. You have to match the columns 3.56, 3.56 or 3 and 5 56 hundredths. This will be the answer. 3 and 56 hundredths. 3 and 56 hundredths. Next, 30.56. This will be 30 and 56 hundredths. 30 and 56 hundredths. So I am not telling you, you have to solve this yourself. In section B, some questions are given, but you have solved this type of questions in your previous classes. I hope all of you can do all the maths. So I will just help you for solving some questions. 31.005, you have to convert this in expanded form. 30 plus 1 plus 5 thousands. Okay. Next, 12.23. First, you have to convert this the whole part in expanded form. 10 plus 2. This will be 2 tenths, 3 hundredths. Okay. Next. In question number 2, are 12.1 and 12.10, 10. These are like decimals. Can you tell me? This number has 1 decimal place, but this number has 2 decimal places. So this is not like decimal. No. You have to arrange this in descending order. That means you have learnt in your previous class how can you compare the decimal numbers. So I hope all of you can do this. Question number 3, 4, you have to solve this by yourself. Question number 5, 2. 12.5 minus 2.3 plus 5 plus 3 minus 4.3. 12.5 minus 2.3. This will be 10.2. 12.5 minus 2.3. This will be 10.2. 5 plus 3, this will be 8 minus 4.3. 10.2 plus 8, this will be 18.2. Minus 4.3, this will be 13.9. 13.9. Okay. Next, question number 6. Arrange the following weights in ascending order. In ascending order. So, you have to convert each quantity in kilogram. So, 500 gram equal to 500 by 1000 kg. So, this will be 0, 0 will be cancelled. This will be 0.5 kg. This will be 2 kg. This is 1.9. Now you have to convert this into kg. So kg, hectare, deca, gra, decigra, centigra, milligra. So milligra to kg 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 number of, so you have to divide by 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So the decimal place will be 0.00999 kg. Okay, now you have to arrange in ascending order. That means smaller to bigger. So this is the smaller 9999 milligram. This is less than 500 gram. This is less than 1.99 kg and this is less than 2 kg. I hope all of you can understand this. Next question number 7. An ant weight this meter 26 centimeter up a tree, then it came this much meter and centimeter down. How high is it now from the ground? Went up this, it came down this, so you have to subtract this from this. So 4 meter 26 and this will be 4.26 meter and this will be 2.30 meter. Now you have to subtract this 4.26 minus 2.30. This will be 1.96 meter. Now it was from the ground 1.96 meter high. Next, question number 8. You have to find the sum in meters. So first of all, you have to convert each quantity in meter to find the answer in meter. Now you have to convert, and for find the sum in millimeter, you have to convert each quantity in millimeter. Okay. Next, question number 9 and 10. There are two word problems, and in the previous assignment, that is in assignment 8.3, you have solved some word problems and you have learned how can you solve the word problem. First of all, you have to write which information is given in the word problem. Then you have to do the operation for solving that word problem.
So students, after watching this video, you have to complete all the maths from section A and section B of chapter and exercises. If you have any queries to understand any question, and if you cannot do any one of these 2 section questions, you will ask me. Okay, you will inform me if you cannot do any questions.